More than 30 local villagers of Nongladew village in Riboy district have fallen ill due to suspected food poisoning after consuming food at a funeral in Assam on May 9th. Reports indicate that the affected villagers attended the funeral in Assam and consumed fish during the event. The following day, they began experiencing symptoms such as vomiting and diarrhea, leading to their admission to the CHC Patarkhma on May 10th. Dr. L. Gashanga, the medical officer at CHC Patarkhma, confirmed that over 30 villagers from Nongladew village were admitted to the facility. In response to the situation, a team from the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, Riboy District, arrived to collect samples for testing. Dr. Gashanga also stated that the admitted patients are currently receiving treatment at the CHC, and their conditions have stabilized, and some individuals have already been discharged after recovering.
Ndang ila kali na ka daw ba kilong kunta taki ay ni ki history ba kiong ba haka khandai tarik kunta ba kilek chapo Assam kadon ka jing yak breu stai Assam kilek yin yak breu but ki yabam jimbam hangta nda kilawan pai siyin kisa yo ta ka pri penhiar ban nang ni na po hostel jengi ngila persang ban ai ki ka jing sumar bat ka ba ni ai ngu yo ublei ba hadu mentam patan mano ke jingjia ke basosi bat barok kinopang kila klan.
The Meghalaya Assam border